Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is CIRCLE circle, THE the, ODD odd, ONE one, circle the odd one. In this topic, children, I will give you three options and you will have to choose one option that is not suitable with others. So you will have to find out and you will have to circle. So the first is STAR star, RAINBOW rainbow, BALL ball. Now see, this is the picture of star, this is the picture of rainbow, and this is the picture of ball. So dear students, star is a natural thing we can see at night in the sky. It's twinkling in the sky. And rainbow is also natural thing you can see in the sky. There are 7 colors in rainbow. After rain, when the sky is very clear, then you can see, sometimes only you can see in the sky rainbow. It looks very beautiful. So both are natural things, but the ball is a artificial thing. Star and rainbow both are made by God, but the ball is made by man. So ball is a artificial thing. So which one is the different? Ball is the different. So what we will do? We will circle ball. Now the next is GLASS glass, PEN pen, SPOON spoon. This is the picture of glass, this is the picture of pen, and this is the picture of spoon. So what is the use of glass? With the help of glass we drink water, we drink milk and the juice also. Where we keep glass? We keep glass in kitchen. This is the kitchen object. And the pen, with the help of pen we write on paper. There are different designer pens are also available in the market. Without pen we are not able to write anything on the paper. So this is stationary item. And this is spoon. Spoon is also kitchen object. What is the use of spoon? We use glass and the spoon at dining table also while eating food. Liquid food items we are not able to eat with the help of hand. So what we are using? We use spoon to eat the liquid foods. So glass, spoon, these both are kitchen objects as well as we use at dining table while eating food. But the pen is the different because we use pen to write anything on the paper. So which one is the different? Pen is the different. So what we will do? We will circle pen. Now the next is TREE tree, COMPUTER computer, BOARD board. Now this is the picture of tree, this is the picture of computer, and this is the picture of board. Now what is the use of tree? From tree we get the fresh air, we get fruits, we get the shade. So trees are very important, and tree is a natural thing. Where you can find the tree? Tree you can find in the park, side of the road, in the field. But computer where you can find? You can find computer in the school, in the offices, the working place, and the board. Also you can find in the school. What is the use of computer? With the help of computer, we can do many works like calculation works. With the internet, we can send the messages and the important files also from one place to another place. And with the help of the board, teacher teaches you in the classroom. So, students, tree you can find in the park, and computer board you can find in the school. So, which one is the different? Tree is a different. So, what we will do? We will circle tree. Now, the next is DOCTOR, doctor. FARMER, farmer. TIGER, tiger. See, this is the picture of doctor. This is the picture of farmer. And this is the picture of tiger. So, now, the doctor is our helper. Doctor is our helper, farmer is our helper, but tiger is a wild animal. So, dear students, a doctor known as how to treat and cure sick people. A doctor is a great friend of sick. He always speaks politely so that the patient feels comfortable. A doctor is a person with the profession to treat and cure sick people. Now, a farmer is an important person for every country. They grow crops in the field. Farmer leads a very simple life. Every day they work hard. They wake up early in the morning and work hard all day. Sunshine and heavy rain cannot stop them. We get all the fresh vegetables and other crops from our farmer. Farmer is the heart of our country. But this is wild animal. This is tiger. TIGER, tiger. The tiger belongs to the cat family. That's why they look like a big cat. It is also has sharp claws but a big tail. The color of the tiger is yellowish orange with black stripes. So, dear student, which one is the different? Doctor, farmer, both are our helpers, but tiger is a wild animal. So, we will circle tiger. Now, the next is SHEEP, sheep. LION, lion. BEAR, bear. You can see this is the picture of sheep, this is the picture of lion, and this is the picture of bear. So, students, sheep is a domestic animal. We get wool from sheep. But the lion is a wild animal. Lion is known as the king of jungle. It has 4 sharp claws and a short tail. The lion's head is covered with yellow brown hair, which is called mane. The sound of the lion is called roar. Now this is bear. Bear is a large, heavy and powerful animal with thick, shaggy feet, very short tail. Bears are omnivorous. They eat plants, honey, insects and small animals. So, lion and bear both are wild animals, but sheep is domestic animal. So, which we will circle? We will circle ship. SHEEP, ship. Now the next is PUPPY, puppy. CAT, cat. COW, cow. You can see in this picture, this is the picture of puppy. This is the picture of cat. And this is the picture of cow. So, dear student, puppy is a young one of dog. But cat is a parent animal and the cow is also parent animal. So which one is the different? Puppy is a different because this is the young one of dog. Now next is KID, kid. CUB, cub. DOG, dog. This is the picture of kid. This is the picture of cub. And this is the picture of dog. So kid is a baby of goat. Kid is a young one of goat. And cub is a young one of tiger. And dog is a parent animal. So tell me, my dear student, which one is the different? Kid and cub both are young ones of animals, and dog is a parent animal. So we will circle dog. Now the next is RIVER, river. CLOUD, cloud. HOUSE, house. You can see this is the picture of river. This is the picture of cloud. And this is the picture of house. As you know very well, my dear student, river is a natural thing. This was made by God. And the cloud is also made by God. Cloud is also natural thing. But the house is made by human beings. And this is the artificial thing. House is made by man. But the river and the cloud both are made by God. Both are natural things. So which one is the different? House is a different. So we will circle house. So dear students, like this you will complete at your home. Circle the odd one. Now thank you.